Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in Australia. Without further ado, let's begin. On the address bar, first type in paypal.com/au to go to the PayPal homepage. And then, on the top right corner of your screen, click on Sign Up. We are given two options to start our PayPal account. It's either a personal account or a business account. Choose whatever it is that you need and click on Get Started. Next, enter the email address that you wish to use for your PayPal account, and then click on Next. And that's it. So, if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Peace!